Hi, I'm Judy Craig with Edina Realty, and today I'm really excited because we have, backed by popular demand, Peg Melanaphy. She has two companies here in Stillwater, and we've known each other through the chamber, but so Peg did a video for us, I don't know, was that 2 years ago?
A couple of years ago, I think.
On oak woodwork, so we're going to have a link if you want to see that one too, because that was really popular. But today we're going to talk about focal walls. What's the name of your companies, the two different companies?
Interiors of Stillwater is a basic painting and decorative finishing company, and Gypsy Mint Stencil Co is our new baby. We have an online store selling stencils.
Okay. And the reason why I wanted to bring Peg in today is she came and did a custom stencil at my home, and it's beautiful. Everyone comments on it. And so the focal wall is just another way of somebody being able to update your home, do some different things to create some more value in your home. So let's talk about these stencils, because I think they're pretty cool.
Okay, well, focal walls are something, everybody has a focal wall, whether it's in your business, your home, your apartment. It's a little place that needs a little love and attention and can have a big impact. And a great way to address the focal wall is through stencils. Stencils are an easy, affordable way to add a great treatment to your wall and a little wow.
You know, whenever I'm showing houses, I will sometimes see a wall with stencils in it, and it's so beautiful that sometimes if the client doesn't like it, it's so easy that you just paint over it versus wallpaper.
Yeah.
And we all know that wallpaper is hard to take down.
That's right, we've taken a lot of wallpaper down, but a stencil is great because it's just a quart of paint and a stencil. And our company,
show me this one.
Sure, this is what our stencils look like. This is the shape of them. They're 24 by 36. They're durable mylar plastic and they're reusable. So basically what you do is you go floor to ceiling, wall to wall with paint, and you have a full wall look of a wallpaper look, but it's truly just paint over a wall.
This is pretty cool. So you created this and then you can just reuse it, or...
That's right.
The one you did for me was custom.
Right. We do custom work as well. So if you have oftentimes when you're trying to find something for your wall, you are flipping through wallpaper books, finding the pattern you like with the palette that doesn't match, or the palette you love, but you can't find the pattern you like.
Got it.
And if you look at stencils, we can do a custom stencil which would get you your pattern you like in exactly your color you like.
Oh.
We can pull inspiration from a fabric, from nature, from upholstery, from just about anything, a piece of artwork, and make it your own.
Well, show me some of these. Here, let's lay this down. Show me some of these other samples you've got.
Well,
here.
these are some of our online, this is from our online store, so these are ready-made. Yeah, so we have floral designs, leaf designs, we have animal prints, and we have, this is a flock of geese going across the wall.
Oh, for the
animals and birds.
The man cave?
We have some standard, oh, there's another one with
That's
a little,
pretty.
yep. We have some basic worldly designs. This is a Moroccan, which is a very popular one.
That's very pretty.
Yeah, and kids' rooms are one of our favorite places to use stencils because, as you know, kids grow up, and so what they like as an infant to a toddler to a teenager, it's going to be different. So we have all kinds of kids' designs that can be changed so easily with just one.
So this is like the flags that you have.
These are pennants across the wall.
And then you can have them based if it's a boy or a girl.
You can do whatever color you'd like. We have some kind of crazy, fun kids' designs.
Oh, that's cute.
It's called our Moby. So it's really awesome, and mostly it's just easy and it's fun.
Yeah, well, and it's something that can be changed easily. So you brought some tools here because I'm curious about when you're doing it. Because I've tried to dabble in it in the past, and I don't do it anymore.
Yeah.
But so this, do you roll it on, or do you?
Well, the tools are minimal, but they're pretty important. And first of all, you need to start with a fresh coat of paint on the wall, and it needs to cure for a day or two. And then you go with a stencil to the wall. But we have rollers and we have stencil brushes that you dab it on with. A couple important tips are that you offload the paint. So you don't want too much paint on these tools, otherwise it will kind of get sloppy on your wall. So you roll your roller into it and offload it onto a piece of paper or something.
Okay.
Also, another big tip is to practice. Practice on a piece of paper or tag board to get the feel you like and the look you like before you go to the wall with it.
All right. Well, it's such a fun thing to freshen up your home, change a home that you've purchased. If you want to tackle it yourself and try these tips, great. But also you could reach out to Peg. What's the best way for someone to call you?
You can call me at 651-387-0006.
And website?
The website is gypsymint.com.
Awesome. Okay. Well, there we go. We have another idea for your home from the Craig Group. I'm Judy, 651-303-1200.